why did you trust that this was gonna be something you needed to be involved in?
Kind of, I learned how to identify the white ladies that I can trust.
Social Installations is a multi-dimensional experiment in creative agency. The road trip asks, what stories will unfold when four middle-aged women set off on a road trip,
Yeah, road trip.
each choosing a location and a creative, unrepeatable public social installation, inviting others to join in.
Oh,
Some of the most profound creative acts happen off stage and outside of any gallery or theater. It's about exploring what's possible. The concept of social installations is that it is both a podcast and a documentary featuring four different women each season who plan some thing in real time without discussing it beforehand. And then they document bringing that thing into fruition. The hitch is that the thing only happens if the podcast audience decides it should by funding it. This season's podcast and documentary, The Road Trip.
see you on the road.
Yeah.
Road trip. Yeah, road trip.